Mum, can I please use the kitchen for the cooking show?
Yeah, sure you can, but make sure the kitchen is clean when you finish.
Yes, Mum, I'll make sure it's clean. Okay, let's go. Everything here. Oh, you guys must be wondering, what's Harmon's cooking today? Well, I'm making everyone's most favorite dish, pizza. First, let me tell you a little bit of history about this pizza. The first pizza that was invented was in 1889 by a chef called Chef Raphael. He made this pizza for his queen, and this pizza had 3 different colors: red, white, and green, which represents Italy. And that pizza was called the Margherita pizza. Now today I'm not going to be making a Margherita pizza. I'm going to be making more of a modern pizza style. And that is a classic vegetarian pizza. And for me and my older brother, I'll be making a smoked chicken with blue cheese and mango. So let's start cooking. Now it's time to prepare our dough. So as you can see here, I have yeast and brown sugar. And I'm gonna add in warm water and mix them around so the yeast and brown sugar will dissolve. Now it's been mixed. I'm gonna cover it with a plate and put it in the side so it can rise. So we have white flour over here. I'm going to add in salt, pepper, also to enhance the flavor of the dough I have fresh crushed garlic, and we have our risen yeast. Now last but not least, we're going to add in warm water. Now just mix all of these up together. So this is the consistency we're looking here, guys. Nice and soft, because when the dough is nice and soft, that means we can roll the dough nice and easily with our hands. That means it'll get a natural look as well from the pizza. And now we're going to cover this and leave it to rest for half an hour. While our dough is resting, we'll make the pizza sauce for our pizza base. I have my pan here on medium heat, and I'm going to add in cooking oil, finely chopped up garlic, stir them around, diced red onions, I'm gonna add in diced tomatoes. Now a lot of people do use tomato puree, but I'm going to be using diced tomatoes because it brings more of a natural taste and color from it. But you do have to make sure that you have to smash the tomatoes up very well. The smell from it is beautiful. The tomatoes have been crushed up nicely, and the color of it looks very appealing. Now I'm adding in brown sugar, oregano, and mixing them all up together. And basil. Now I'm adding in salt and pepper according to your taste. The sauce is ready, consistency looks really nice. Now we're gonna leave it to rest and cool down. As you can see, the dough has risen perfectly. And now it's time to roll the pizza dough on the plate. You can see I put the pizza dough on the plate. Now I'm going to apply oil on my finger and just nicely massage it around. I've nicely spread out the pizza dough on the plate, and with the fork I'm just going to poke it around on the dough. Tomato base is for the vegetarian pizza. I'm going to add it onto the base. For the mango smoked chicken and blue cheese pizza, I'm going to add in my mango sauce. So I'm going to add in mozzarella cheese at the bottom on top of my pizza base. The reason I'm putting the cheese at the bottom is because I want to still have that natural, colorful look from the vegetables I get on the top. My grandmother always says that to win someone's heart, the road to success is from here to here. That's why, guys, on my pizza, I've added in red capsicum hearts. Just to show you guys how much heart I put into this pizza so I could win your guys' hearts. See by this pizza, this is the smoked chicken with mango and blue cheese. By just looking at this, the presentation, the colors that are coming out from this pizza just look so good. And as you can see on the crust and a little bit on the middle, I've added in the tomato sauce I made earlier just to bring that extra color on the pizza. And by looking at both of these pizzas, the colors and presentation just look so beautiful and appealing. Because in cooking, presentation is key. On the pizza, I'm going to be adding in salt, pepper, now it's ready to go in the oven for 190 degrees Celsius for about 7 to 10 minutes. People at home have different types of ovens. That's why you have to keep a close eye on what you're cooking. Because time and temperature is very important in cooking. And don't say Harman didn't say so, because Harman did. As you guys can see, the crust is beautiful and is nice and crispy. That's what we're looking for, guys. Oh guys, look at the thickness of the pizza. The mozzarella has been beautifully melted as well. Oh, that's a lovely pizza. Nice thickness. Oh, the colors from the vegetables are good too. Very vibrant. It's beautiful. Look at the thickness of this pizza too, guys. The cheese, both cheese, mozzarella and blue cheese has been melted. The chicken and mango looks so nice. It looks so vibrant and delicious. Cannot wait to eat this. We're going to taste the vegetarian pizza. Oh, that is so beautiful. The crunchiness from the vegetable is nice, and the cheese has melted to perfection too. You can really taste that cheese going well with the vegetables. Oh, so nice. You guys have to try this dish. But anyways, now it's time to taste the mango smoked chicken and blue cheese pizza. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so delicious. I can really taste that mango sauce on that base. The thickness of the pizza is beautiful. And I can taste the mozzarella and blue cheese mixing well and melted well together. The mango and chicken combo is amazing. You guys really have to try this out at home. But for now, please leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel with that bell icon on. And I'll see you next time. The kitchen is clean. Because if I didn't make the kitchen clean, my mom will definitely twist my hair and make me clean the kitchen. Have a good day, guys.